Hey guys.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Welcome back to my channel. Happy March Vlogness. We are back at it again with another video. As you can see, I'm already dressed because I'm already ready to roll. We are redoing some stuff in my closet today, so we need to head to Ikea. Today's video is going to be real short and sweet. We heading to Ikea. We leaving Ikea, we going to Target. We leaving Target and we coming back home to put that stuff together to put it up in the closet. That's it. That's the live. I said the live. That's the story. So let's run to Target. Oh, I'm lying. Let's run to Ikea.
Don't prove me wrong.
Okay, we are just making it to Ikea. Rather late than never. I definitely got a late start on everything today, guys. But we're here. We're about to get this one shelf. I'm going to show y'all what shelf I'm getting. And then we're going to go right across the street because there is a Target right across the street. Okay, so I stumbled across this super cute chair. I'm thinking about putting it in my closet. This is so stinking cute. Look at this cute mirror with the built-in light. $160. This is not bad. This is a cute mirror. I wonder if it's like, if this light is adjustable. We have found the shelf. This is the one. And we're gonna turn that one into the fragrance station. That's where all the perfumes are gonna be.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you.
I like this mirror. I like the price of this mirror. So we have located the Gersby. Let's put this big motherfucker on the rack.
My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like.
Okay. I'm gonna try these because they're fragrance free and that's good for sensitive skin. And I'm gonna try this alcohol free toner because I've been looking for alcohol free toner, so I feel like this is good. Okay, this looks good. The Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. Oil to gel formula that intensely nourishes. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. Okay. So I'm gonna try 2 more Olipop's because the first one that I tried I didn't like. And I wanna like them because they're plant-based sodas. So we're gonna get 2 more. Time I see the choo-choos. I have to get these if you haven't had them. Try them. They're bomb. Juice is always first to go in my house, so I'm going to get a pina colada. And I'm going to get a strawberry lemonade. Good old faithful. I want to try some of these hot honey cashews. Those look good. And just leaving Target. Bag is secured. Now we're heading home. Okay guys, we just made it back home. I got the goods. I cannot wait to try this, the Glow Getter. I also got that alcohol-free toner, so I'm going to try this tonight because y'all know the toner that I currently use is the Clinique, and this is an alcohol-based toner, so I did say I wanted to get out of the alcohol-based. And I got these Neutrogena fragrance-free makeup removers. Now, if y'all can remember, the other day, I went to sleep with my makeup on. And I was telling y'all, like, if it's any nights that y'all just feel like y'all just tired, y'all want to take that makeup off, get you some of these and at least lay in the bed and wipe that makeup off. So, I realized I didn't have any because I never use these because the regular ones are so scented and they're really strong for my face. So, now that I see that they have these fragrance-free ones, I feel like that should be a little more better for sensitive skin. So I'm gonna try them out and let y'all know how they go. So let's take off these clothes and get comfortable. I'm trying to see if I even feel like putting that shelf together, because I know I need to order more of the little racks for the perfume. We're gonna see. Let me put on some jammies. Okay, so we are in the closet. We got the shelf right here. We're gonna put it up in a second. Now, I want to show y'all the vision of what I got and where I want the shelf to go. So, right here in this corner is where I want the shelf to go. And I want that shelf to house all of these fragrances plus the new fragrances that I've added to it, because you see I don't have no more space. So this is leaving, and in the place of this, in this empty space, is going to be some more eyeglass cases stands like this, and it's going to be 2 of those in here because I bought more glasses and I'm not going to have anywhere to put them because this one is full, this one is full. So that's going to be there. That's going to be the fragrance. So right now, before I do anything, I really want to clean up. I really want to straighten my closet because, like, look at the desk area of my closet. Like, look how disgusting. So yeah, let's get this area organized first. Like, let's do some organization. Okay, now that we've straightened the room, let's work on the shelf.
Braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your all them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. Moody. But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come?
Okay guys, so the shelf is put up. I haven't put the actual shelves, like the actual boards up yet, because I actually do not feel like dealing with all that fragrance right now. I kind of want to go ahead on and order the stuff off of Amazon, because if I'm not mistaken, the stuff off Amazon that I need, it comes in like overnight. So I'll just finish this project tomorrow on tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching tonight's video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, leave a comment, send it to a friend, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.
Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still